Good afternoon, evening, everyone. Welcome to DFA community, guys. This is also another video. You're going to learn about trend lines, okay? How to use trend lines as your technical analysis. If you want to analyze the chart in 2025, if you're a beginner, if you're an intermediate trader, this video is the best for you. I recommend this video. Please have the patience, sit down, relax yourself, and watch the video to the end, okay? You're going to have a massive idea about the usage of trend lines, okay? Guys, please, this is DFA community. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, can you subscribe to this particular channel, okay? And let us learn. So guys, without much ado, I'm going to share the screen for us, okay? Then we start our lesson. So guys, this is Euro USD chart for you. That is what I'm going to use for my analysis. Now, when it comes to trend line is one of the technical tools we normally use or other people prefer to use as the analysis item. When it comes to trend lines, there are certain rules and there are certain things you must master or you must observe to help you or master or to help you to figure out a good trading setup or a high winning rate setup. Okay, so guys, when you pull out your charts, if you want to use trend line, some people ask this particular question: where is the time frame, or what is the best time frame for you to start your analysis from? To me, the best time frame that you're supposed to start your analysis from is the monthly time frame. Go to the monthly time frame and just look at the overall trend, or probably price have would have been created or has created a particular pattern over there that you need to know. So that is very important. So this is the monthly time frame. This is the overall or how everything looks like when you pop into Euro USD environment. So now with this, this resembles something. This really resembles a particular pattern that price normally creates. And if we can use a straight line, this looks like what do you call it? A bullish flag. If we are using a horizontal line over here, this looks like, if you have to put a line over here, this looks like a bullish flag. So first thing first, it tells me that definitely price is going to break out to the top side, okay? Is going to break out. Now, here comes how to draw the trend line. How do we even use the line to get a trend line? How do we draw a trend line? If you want to draw a trend line, please, to my best of knowledge, kindly use the wicks. Some people prefer to use the body as well, but to me, kindly use the wicks, okay? So if you want to use a trend line, or if you want to use the trend line as your technical analysis tool, can you see this item over here? When you come to this area, you will see the trend line over here. You can click on the star. It's going to be added to your tool, okay? Your favorite tools, okay? So if you want to draw a trend line, looking at Euro USD from the monthly time frame, we are having this serious downtrend over here. Serious downtrend. And first thing first, guys, before you draw a trend line, okay, what you're supposed to do, please use this particular tool. You must figure out the market structure. When you look at the charts, you can see definitely price is in a downtrend. If you know a downtrend and you know an uptrend, a downtrend market is where price is just creating lower high, lower lows, lower high, lower lows. So from market structure, you're going to put this particular tool to help you to determine the market structure first. Okay, so we're having this lower high, lower low. We're having equal bottoms over here, a triple bottom over here. Okay, and price came down to sweep liquidity. So you're having a lower high, lower low. So this is the last lower high over here, the last lower high. Okay, so knowing this, when you pull this out, I always tell you people to pull this thing out, okay? when you pull it out this way, you could see the overall market structure. Okay, so this is the last lower high over here, and this is the last lower low. Okay, so price is in a downtrend. Price is in a downtrend. Okay, so in this scenario, you're going to pull your trend line, then you connect this point. Okay, you're going to connect this point over here. Okay, it is very, very important. Okay, when you connect the line and you get two touches or even three touches, this confirms to us that there is our trend line. So we are going to use this same line on the candles. Okay, there is just the skeletal shape of the market structure we just drew. Okay, so what we are going to do is to just use, let me do away with this skeleton item over here. Okay, so we are going to put the line on top of the works, okay, as we drew on the skeleton shape. Okay, so make sure you use it to connect 2 points. Okay, like this one. Okay, we're having this touch over here. So as you can see, or someone will prefer to put it here. Okay, at least we're having two touches. Very, very important, we're having two touches over here. So with this bullish flag, always bullish flag, that is how it looks like, a bullish flag. That is how price always behaves. Go this way, you can have a choppy market over here, something like this, a falling wedge. Always price will just break out to the upside. Okay, price is going to break out to the upside. So that is uh, one thing you must master. Then always, when it comes to price action, always price is going to return to its origin, where it started a downtrend or it started an uptrend. So in this scenario, as you can see, we are having another market structure over here. We are having this market structure over here: higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Price came down to sweep liquidity over here. This is liquidity sweep and this is liquidity run. Okay, in this scenario. Okay, there is a market structure over here. So now, what you are going to do, having this in mind, you know that there is a chart pattern, a bullish flag. Okay, then before we move down to the lower time frame, you can also do something over here. It is very, very important. You can just zoom out some like this one. You can pull your Fibonacci tool. If you don't know Fibonacci 2, guys, if you come here, if you come to this area, you're going to see this fib retracement. I have uploaded a video that describes the three powerful tools you need in 2025 for you to become profitable. So you can look out for that video and just watch that video. Okay, guys, if you haven't subscribed to this particular channel, subscribe to DFA community and let's. You can pull your Fibonacci tool, then you just check this retracement. Okay, you can check this retracement over here. So as you can see, price has just crossed the 0.618 retracement level. Okay, so this confirms to us that there is a serious downtrend. Okay, this is a serious downtrend. So what we are looking for, the only thing that you'll be looking for when market crosses the 0.61 retracement level, what you're going to look for is to look for a market shift or a change of character. Okay, so we are looking for a change of character to turn this market down. So as I said, price is going to return to its origin, where it started the downtrend from, this origin. So that is our target. We are looking for a change of character. Then we continue to buy until we reach this price level 1.6250. Okay, so that is that. So what you're going to do is, let's go down to the lower time frame. We'll go to the weekly time frame. Okay, when we come to the weekly time frame, this is the state of price over here. We are much interested in the current price action. The current price action. Though we know a bullish flag from the monthly time frame, price is going to break out to the upside. Before price breaks out to the upside, now we are in a bearish market. Currently, we are in a bearish market. So you can put a rectangle over here. You can put a rectangle over here. Then you give it a color like this. You can give it a color like this one. Then what you're going to do, let's change the color. let's say red color. Okay, so we can scale down to the lower time frame. Then you go to the daily time frame. You look out for a change of character. So as you can, as usual, always price will just behave. Let me change the color. Okay, this looks a little bit what. Okay, let me change something. Okay, this is okay. So we can look out for a change of character. Okay, always price will just move in its market structure. Okay, market structure is the king. Okay, it always happens. So lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Let's go down to the 4 hour time frame. When we scale down to the 4 hour time frame, this is the overall scene its own thing or doing its repeat high, lower low. So when we can also confirm from this zone, we can use this as well. Or let me just select this. Okay, so we can have a lower high, a lower low, another lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower high, lower low over here. We have lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Currently, this is the last lower low. We have the last lower low and we have the last lower high over here. So what you're going to do is you can put a line over here. You can put a line on the last lower low and the last, sorry, lower high and the last lower low over here in this scenario. So currently, price is inside this particular area. Okay. So if you don't want to put a line over here, what we are going to do to deal with trend lines, we can also target this downtrend over here. Let's go to the daily time frame. Let's go down to the daily time frame. You can scale down to the daily time frame. Then we can also use another trend line. Okay, you can figure out another trend line for this downtrend market over here. Okay, so as you can see, the trend hasn't ended. And one of the rules of trend line is that when price upwards, moves upwards to touch the trend line the third time, sell, we can continue to sell to the downside, okay, in that scenario. So this is also one of the rules that governs trend lines, okay. But to me, what I'm looking for right now, when you draw the trend line, we must look out for a change of character. So let's go down to the 4 hour time frame. When we scale down to the 4 hour time frame, we are having the 4 hour trend line over here, the 4 hour down market trend line over here. Then what we are going to do, let's go down to the 1 hour time frame. When we go to the 1 hour time frame, we can have this market structure over here. So in this scenario, to have an entry point, this is also a beautiful market structure over here. You can also put another box over here, another box over here in this scenario. You can put another box over there. Then you can change the color. Okay, you can change the color to another one or different colors. Okay, let's keep this particular color. Then what you're going to do, let's scale down to the 30 minutes time frame or even the 15 minutes time frame. When you scale down to the 15 time frame, you're going to open up this scenario. Okay, this color does not look nice. Let's change the color to what we can see, or let's look out for a tiny. Okay, let's keep this one. Okay, so with this one, we are having another market structure over here, lower low. If you don't know market structure, always pull your two lower high, sorry, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, another lower low, small lower high over here. We have the current low over here, another lower high. We have this lower low. So price go to this particular area, the last lower low and price ranging. Okay, price is ranging. So from here, what can we do? To my best of knowledge, what you can do is to just continue to scale down. We are going to move down to the 5 minutes time frame. Let's do away with this. Now we know market structure is going on a bearish market. So let's go down to the 5 minute time frame. When we go down to the 5 minute time frame, what do we see? what do we see now? Now, currently, what we are going to look out for is to just examine the market very well. Okay. Now, let me pull a trend line. You here, what you're going to do in scenario like this, put a trend line over here. Okay. You're having a trend line. You can pull another one over here as this one. And guys, what is this trend? What is this pattern? What is this pattern telling you? Okay, when you use chart patterns, when you get down to the lower time frame and you are drawing a trend line, with this particular pattern, it's what do you call it? Sorry, guys, it is a bearish pennant flag. A bearish pennant flag. Okay, a bearish pennant flag. And what is the rule or the concept about a bearish pennant flag? Always price will just break out. Price will just break out of the bearish pennant flag, move downwards, come back to retest, and just move downwards again. So this is actually the state. That is what we are looking for from Euro USD and also GBP USD. They are the same pair. So a bearish pennant flag, always price will just continue its downtrend. Okay, that is just a redistribution. And if we are using AMD, we can have what do you call it, manipulation accumulation over here. Okay, you can apply that concept here as well. You're having accumulation over here, manipulation, then distribution. Then the second phase is always a redistribution. Price will just try to consolidate more and continue the downtrend. Okay. So what we are looking for now, you can target for sales. So in this scenario, we are going to target for sales. So you can put your stop loss over here. You're going to short Euro USD. Okay. Let me delete this. You're going to short Euro USD over here. Short Euro USD. Price is going to continue the downtrend, the downward movement. Okay. Downward movement in this scenario, just like this. Okay. And also we can also confirm from, I did a video on how to take a trade, how to kill fear, if the fear of mixing out trade. Okay, so in this scenario, you can zoom things out. You can zoom things out, or let's go to the 15 minutes time frame. You can zoom things out. Okay, and look at the candles that is forming. You can enter the trade from the candle that is forming. Okay, when the candle forms, what is the message it is printing out? What is the message? And so you can wait for the candle to finish forming. Okay, then we know the message it is giving us. So if this gives us, this was a small trend over here. Let's go to the 5 minute time frame. The price is just printing this out, this candles. We are having a shoot, having a bearish engulfing candle. We are having a hanging man over here. After this bullish run, we had this hanging man, and we're having this bearish candle or a shooting star, a shooting star forming. So you can capitalize on this, but to my best of knowledge, my bias is on a short market. Okay, so we are looking forward to just short Euro USD. So guys, you can put your stop loss right on top of this trend line, the top trend line. Then you sell Euro USD. Okay, so a bearish pennant flag, we are going to sell Euro USD. So this is how to use, or this is how to do analysis from the higher time frame perspective with trend lines. And also when you are dealing with trend lines, always look out for patterns. Patterns makes trend lines very effective. Okay, so you must master trend lines and also how to draw your trend lines. Always trend lines goes with chart patterns. Trend lines goes with chart patterns. So if you are a friend or if you are a fan or of using trend lines, or if you are a trader who use trend lines, you trade trend lines, always look out for chart pattern. It is very important when it comes to trend lines usage. Okay, so guys, welcome to DFA community once again. See you in the next video. If you haven't subscribed to this particular channel, please kindly subscribe to this particular channel. So when you are moving from the higher time frame perspective to the lower time frame perspective, you can use these boxes that I drew to analyze each phase of the market one after the other. You look out for a change of character, then you look out for chart patterns as well. Okay, so guys, thank you very much for joining me in this particular video. See you.